Stop chasing candles. Start reading the battlefield. In my previous videos, I talked about workshops, engineering, construction projects, quality systems, and real-world problem solving. Today, I'm returning to trading. At first glance, these topics may seem completely unrelated, but they're not. Everything on this channel begins with one simple idea: system thinking. Whether you're building a machine, managing a construction project, improving a manufacturing process, or analyzing a financial market, success rarely comes from reacting to events. It comes from understanding the system that produces those events. That belief has shaped my career, and today it shapes the way I analyze the market. Most traders believe trading is about finding signals: a bullish engulfing, a breakout, a fractal, a moving average crossover. They believe that once a signal appears, they must act immediately. That is exactly where most traders lose, because they are reacting to the outcome instead of understanding the process. The market is not a collection of signals. It is a battlefield. Every candle represents an action. Every rejection is an argument. Every close is evidence. Every breakout is an attempt to claim authority. Once you see the market as a battlefield, your questions begin to change. Instead of asking, "Should I buy this candle?" you begin asking, "Who currently owns authority?" That single question changed the way I trade. Every trend begins with an origin. An origin is the point where one side first claims authority. In a bullish market, buyers establish a bullish origin. But claiming authority is not the same as keeping authority. Every claim must be tested. I call this the authority test. After buyers push the market higher, sellers immediately fight back. Their objective is not simply to make price fall. Their objective is to destroy the bullish origin by creating a lower low. If they succeed, buyer authority collapses. If they fail, buyers earn another opportunity to defend their claim and continue the trend. This battle takes place inside what I call the main range. It is the battlefield where buyers and sellers compete for control before the market reveals its verdict. Most traders make the same mistake. They chase the strongest candle. They see momentum. They see a confirmed pattern. They see a strong fractal, and they enter. But strength is information. It is not permission. A strong signal can still be followed by a pullback. A confirmed fractal can still face rejection. That is why I don't trade the signal. I observe what happens after the signal, because the market always tests authority before rewarding it. This is where system thinking makes trading much simpler. Every system has four parts: input, authority is claimed; process, the market tests that authority; buyers attack, sellers respond. Each side tries to invalidate the other's claim. Output, only three outcomes are possible: seller wins and creates a lower low, buyer wins and creates a higher high, or neither side wins. The market enters a deadlock. Deadlock is not a trading signal. It is simply the market telling us that the battle is still unresolved. Patient traders understand this. Impulsive traders don't. They chase the first move. They chase confirmation. They chase momentum. Professionals wait for the verdict. That is why I don't chase candles. I identify the battlefield. I observe the interaction between buyers and sellers. I wait for the market to reveal who deserves authority. Only then do I prepare to execute. Over the years, my experience in engineering, workshops, construction, and trading led me to one conclusion: consistent results are rarely created by luck. They are created by understanding systems. That belief eventually evolved into a framework I call the Fractal Authority Model. It is not another indicator. It is not another pattern. It is not another prediction tool. It is a framework for understanding how market authority is claimed, tested, defended, and transferred. This video only introduces the philosophy. The framework itself goes much deeper. If this way of thinking challenges how you see the market, then I invite you to subscribe to Bias Positive Digital Rise. On this channel, we don't chase signals, we study the systems behind them. Together, we'll continue exploring market structure through the lens of system thinking and the Fractal Authority Model. Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't chase the candle. Read the battlefield. Wait for the verdict. Because in the end, the market does not reward those who react the fastest. It rewards those who understand authority.